Cub Cadet belts, professionally engineered, tested for performance with satisfaction as the goal. Before a belt can be made, it has to prove that it belongs in the ultimate cutting system. Master designs of mowers that allow customers to passionately create and maintain lawns and gardens. Before the belts are ever manufactured, they are professionally designed by a team of engineers who dedicate thousands of hours creating the ultimate cutting system. Detailed requirements for each element of the belts are captured within drawings and virtual simulations. Exact criteria such as belt length, belt cord alignment are only a few of the important variables. The belt's expected performance life is modeled to meet internal standards and customer satisfaction. Extreme emphasis is placed on the belt length. Our engineers strive for minimum length tolerances. Concave shape for the perfect amount of contact within the pulley, cord alignment for best load hauling capabilities. Strategically aligned cords in the belts are determined based on the expected loads that the mower will handle, giving the belt even distribution when flowing through the pulley. Kevlar material for long-lasting life keeps your blades moving and customers enjoying their yards. Tension and compression compounds resist oil and heat, and the flex weave fabric cover maintains structural integrity. Before our engineers even apply motion to the belt design, they make certain that it will seat securely in its pulley slot. The belt's tension and angle is audited before testing to confirm that the belt will perform as designed. The belts are pulled past their breaking points to verify the materials are performing to engineers' expectations. Belts are strategically tested for strength and carrying heavy loads. Accelerated dyno testing procedures simulate real-life system analysis. Belts are tested for slipping and over-tightness by continuously starting and stopping the decks. Real-life testers ride on the mowers to record any problems over the theoretical life of the vehicle. Finally, after the life of the unit has expired, a stall test is performed to confirm the belt does not slip. Cub Cadet belts are a result of rigorous engineering and testing procedures, all to give the customer a part that they can trust, parts that meet and exceed ANTSE standards, that are proven and safe. Cub Cadet parts that are professionally engineered, tested for performance with satisfaction as the goal.